Alright, well I got the one person set up. The one person night cat. Got the power station here. I'm just gonna hook her up, start her up. Well, weather network is reading -1. These things have been out here for like 5-10 minutes. They're even almost 0. But they're out of the wind. This thing's pumping warmish here now. I'm gonna get in there with it. Should tie that door down. But feels like it's getting warmer here. She's blowing some good hot air. Just turned 4 degrees in here. Was just 3. Was 3 on the ground, I guess. Hanging up there. Got this little carbon monoxide detector. 5 degrees just turned. We'll take a look at the temperature on the other CO detector. Got it hanging up outside there. Check that out in like 20 minutes. We'll give it like 20 minutes here. Well, it's been like 3 minutes. Up to 10 degrees. I feel like this thing is definitely heating up a lot faster than the other one. But this thing is pretty small. You can see your feet are right up against the door. Or your head is. Now I'm like 5'10". 5'10". Yeah, pretty close for a bear to just grab you. Well, 12 minutes. Up to 20 degrees Celsius in 12 minutes. Well, got up to 25 in exactly 30 minutes. It's starting to get dark now. I'll tie that door down, check the weather outside, and turn this off, and then we'll turn it back on in a few hours once it gets colder. Well, I brought the detector down lower. It's more towards the ground in the back. Like I'm laying on the ground, but they hear it. It's like almost right on top of my stomach. I'll turn on the flash. Way down here, and it went up to 26. Just a few minutes. Maybe 5 minutes. Been down here. -2, that thing says. Well, this thing's been on here for hours. It's -11, -12. No idea where the other one went. I had the other one up there. No idea where it went. Felt down behind there is covered in snow. -13. Feels colder than that too, it just kills the fingers. This thing's been going for like 5 minutes. This thing's been in here for for hours in the cold, so I'm just warming it up here. I'm gonna put it up here, see if it drops or what, but it's pretty warm in here, like way warmer than outside. Walt's been down here for a couple minutes now. It was up there for a few minutes and it was at 15. Back here, still at 14. But I'm gonna leave this in and go in for a bit. Maybe come back out in 20 minutes, half an hour. See what it's at. It's really windy. And there's some sketchy trees out there. I don't want to fall on me. Still at 14. We'll see what it does. Well, it's 20 minutes later. Let's see how much air I lose. See how much heat I lose from getting in here. It's kind of a pain getting in and out of here. Oh, it was only 11 degrees in there. Turning it back up to 3. Let her go for another 20. These pegs suck. They keep coming out. Well, it's been like 4 or 5 minutes. Came back in. It's only 12 degrees. So I turned it back up. So I turned it on 4. Let it run on 4 for a bit. Hopefully it doesn't overheat. Let it run on 4 for a bit. Let's see how she heats up on 4. Then try turning it down maybe. Or maybe I'll have to keep it on 4. Oh yeah, that's really hot. Can't keep my hand in front of it. Well, this thing's really blowing. It's weird, it only really blows off camera. When I got in here, it was like, well, maybe because the door is still open. I'm not sure if it was, but this thing was like blowing over. I may not have it staked down the best. It's too cold. Plus I need longer and better stakes. Well, it's been 5 minutes on 4. It's still only at 15 degrees in here. It's pretty hot. Gonna get out of here though. Not sure if I want to turn it down or leave it. It's at 16 now. Wish I'd stay in here, but I just heard a tree crack or something. So I'm gonna get out of here for now. Minus 13. $15. Oh, no way. Well, just turned it up on 4. Let's see how long it takes to warm up. I'm not gonna stay in here. I'm gonna come back in like 20 minutes. Let's see what it's at. It is quite a bit warmer though in here than outside, you know. But still, only 15 on 3. That's not too good. If I have to run on 4 all the time, or 5, or 6. Well, I accidentally shut this thing down. Make sure you don't accidentally shut it down. It takes forever to shut down. You can't turn it back on while it's shutting down. and wait for it to shut down. Even if you unplug it and plug it back in, it takes forever. Pretty sure it continues to shut down and then starts back up. And then you get real excited once you start to hear the ticking noise. Yeah, I didn't think I'd be so happy to hear the ticking noise. Down to 8 in here. Minus 12. And she's warming up. I'm pretty sure I had it on 4 before and it only got up to 18, but I want to make sure it's actually on 4, so I'm gonna let her run again. Let's say half an hour. Oh, it's getting hotter now for some reason. Like, I can't keep my hand there anymore. Holy jeez, that's hot. 15 over here, hung it up by the window there. Was back there. There's 15 on the ground back there as well. So yeah, this thing doesn't get that hot. Doesn't get that warm. I think it's down to minus 20 at night. Minus 20 or more, then geez, what's this only gonna be like 10 or 8 in here? You have to turn it up to like 6. Turn up to 6 or maybe it'll be 15 in here. I'm not sure. Hopefully the 4-season tent does better. I doubt it though. It's up to 17 there now. You know, you probably put your blankets down. It'll probably get a little warmer, but especially in winter, like, girl, it's not that cold right now, but it was a month ago or a month or so ago. It's up to 18 there now. You just put a bunch of blankets down. Maybe a wool blanket or something, mineral, merino wool or something like that. Well, I've been in here for like what, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, not even sure, but it's taking forever to heat up. Like, it's been at 19 forever. It's taking forever to get to 20. You probably have to have this thing on 4 like all night to get it up to like 25, 30, to be able to open the windows and cook. We'll open up the windows here a bit. Let's see what it does. Let's see, a little bit too big of a draft coming in. Like, I thought it would be pushing like too much air and like it would just be pushing air out of this thing, you know? But it's not. If I crack the window like that, and crack the window like that, you know, that would probably be good enough to cook, you know? Just have some air flowing up through here, then down back through here maybe. I'm not sure. Plus there. Yeah, that's not so bad. Probably cooking there while it's raining like this too. Yeah, it might be fine, not sure. It's staying pretty warm in here, like it's up to 20 now actually. You definitely feel a draft coming in, but it's still pretty warm. Now I got my coat on, but may just even want to turn her up one. So it's actually up to 21 now with those windows cracked. Turn her up to 6, see what it does, eh? So I just had to make a bunch of room on my phone. I delete a whole bunch of stuff. I do a whole bunch of crazy stuff. Crazy stuff with the camera. I can't believe it. Can't believe it happened. But yeah, I wasn't able to take any videos. But I took the nightcap tent down. Took the little one-person tent down because it was getting up to like 20, 25 degrees. It was getting up there, but it was taking a while. And you know, if it's minus 20, it's not gonna do the best. So, but it's pretty sweet. It does work pretty good. Like it's like minus 10 outside or something, and it's doing pretty good. But I wanted to try this 4-season tent, so I got this 4-season tent set up.